Good morning, YouTube. Glad to have you guys. This is G. Welcome to the bird room once again. So I'm gonna show you guys today what I do for the bird feed. I mix oils. So when they're not breeding, I'll do it between a 2-week period, once every 2 weeks if they're not breeding. If the birds have babies and stuff like that, in a week, I would like to do it twice a week, or I'll do a nice size batch and just keep feeding it to them. But I will still offer fresh food without the oils in the other containers. I'll put one and the other 3 won't have it. That way they can eat, frequently the oils and the regular one. So I'm gonna show you the oils I use. There's other ones too, but I'm gonna show you the 2 of them that I like to use. I given them egg food. A lot of them finished up eating. I got babies from here, guys. I transferred them over to here. Let's see. We got Goulians. I think we got yellows, if I'm not mistaken. We got 2 babies there. We got eggs here. 2 eggs are good. Over here, these are Goulian eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs are good. I know that one right there is not good. So we got 4 good Goulian eggs. And here we got the 2 babies, shaft tail and an owl finch, coming along great. And over here, guys, I got parrot finch eggs. I believe all 3 or 4 are good. Yeah, they're all good. So this is how it, and I still have to do a lot more boxes. The reason why I'm not breeding a lot more is because there's limited boxes, The shaft tails don't have nest, star finches don't have nest, owl finches don't have nest, grass mass finches don't have a nest, the strawberries don't have a nest. A lot of the Goulians don't have a nest. Only 2 pairs of Goulians have nest. The cutthroat have a nest. Parrot finch have a nest, and the triple black zebra finch and the woofer basket over there has like 3 to 4 or 5 babies, whatever it is. They're pretty big already. So I got my society pairs all set up, They're comfortable. They're eating egg food. So this is what it is, guys. So to this container, okay, I'm using the ABBA, and I like to use cod liver oil for 1, and then I like to use this right here. Omega-3s, omega-6, vitamin E's. It's loaded with vitamins and all the minerals. It's very good for them. So I like to put this and this in the feed. And you can get these at your Tractor Supply. I don't want to put a lot. It's just a little bit. That's it. A little tiny drop of that. A little tiny drop of that. This has some pink vitamin residue in there, but it's no big deal. Just gotta mix it very well. And it's good to do it when the birds are kind of hungry, you know, when you're about to change the feed and put new feed in. That's the time to do it, you know. I mean, don't wait till the birds are all fluffed up and stuff like that, but I'm over here spilling it. I put some canary seeds in here as well. And this here, guys, are loaded with the minerals, vitamins, calcium, everything. It smells good. You know, I'm over here spilling more than anything. But it's okay. You guys seen it. We don't need a lot to make it happen. Okay. See, it's not loose. The seed is not loose. It's moving together. See? That's how you want it. You don't want it too wet. See, my hand's nice and shiny. That's what we're talking about. And then I come over here. And that's where I throw all the no good seeds. You'll see, they love it. They love it. This is a good way to keep your bird's coat nice and shiny, you know. Keep the bird's coat nice and shiny. I will put for some of them as well, you know. I will empty out one of these. I'll probably do it. I'll probably blow the feed and put it in a container and just mix the feed that's in the cup, you know. But that's it. That's all it is, guys. Cod liver oil. And the cod liver oil, let's put this back. Okay. Let's focus. We got cod liver oil is an excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin D, the omega-3 fatty acids. You know, cod liver oil is an excellent supplement for animals of all ages and classes. So, And it only cost me $24.99, you know. I give it to the pigeons, which I got next door, you know, and the birds. Look at that, the gluing already going to it. They can smell it. Look at that. And if you wanna, you know, let the oils absorb into the seeds, you can leave it there for like 2 hours or overnight. Do it the night before, and when you come in the morning, you feed it to them. You know, you can put it down on the floor on the big tray and just, you know, spread it down so they can all eat and enjoy it on the floor. But it's a good source of vitamins, guys. You know, I like to keep my bird on natural remedies, you know, oil, garlic, apple cider vinegar, lemon, and with a sour, I give a sweet, which is the honey. You know, I put lemon, I put the honey. Whatever I do, I add honey, so they can, you know, drink and not be all bitter and stuff like that, the water. Jeez. But they're loving it. Well, guys, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Got some babies. I grabbed it from here, transferred them over here. I gotta put up a whole bunch of boxes still. I still didn't build my outside aviary, just been too busy. You know, the birds they're content within this space, so. And it's not that warm outside yet, you know, where the birds can enjoy. And if you leave it in a, see, I'm all about natural remedies and good immune system, resistance to bacteria. And the only way you're gonna build resistance is if you allow the birds to be in their own element, the way mines are right now. Okay? They can go to the floor, they can eat a seed from the floor that been around the poop and stuff like that, and resistance build. You know, cut off all that medication stuff. Don't feed the birds no medication. You know, and you'll be all right. The weak ones will probably die, but at the end is all worth it, because the babies that you will raise are gonna be 100% natural, 100% stronger, less deaths on the babies when they're born. You know, everything just good. Antibacterial resistant is very good to have on the birds. And how do you build it up? By leaving them like this. Offer them natural products. Stop giving them medicine and all that good stuff. You know, should I say bad stuff? It's good and it's bad. start of your breeding season, if you want to give, you know, 3 days of a canker and worms, stuff like that, like a 4-in-1, you know, 5-in-1, all-in-one. Yeah, that's perfectly fine, you know. And then don't use it ever again until the next following breeding season. Well guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned something new. Again, you can get these at a Tractor Supply. That's where I got mine. This was what, $11, $11.99. You know, and they got everything. Omega-3s, omega-6, cured fat, vitamin E. It's a good source of vitamins and minerals and all that good stuff. And the birds love it. It gives them a shiny coat when they're breeding. Especially when they're breeding, it's good to feed them this stuff, you know. When the new coats come in, the new feathers, oh man, it's like a picture bird, you know. Shiny, perfect. So that's it, guys. I have no more. I showed you guys something that you guys can benefit from. Hope you guys practice it. You know, you seen the amount that I put to this. You know, it's probably 3 inches deep, 6 inches round. So just a couple drops and that's it. That's all you need. You can let it sit overnight, you know, and feed it to them the next morning. Just let the oils absorb to the seeds. And that's all. Well guys, I showed you the babies, showed you something you guys can benefit from, showed you the birds, and now it's time for me to go take care of mine. Talk to you guys later.